About to go green. Stay focused.
So I've done this race so many times, and whenever I'm in the mid-pack, I get taken out. So I'm starting at the back.
To do your job.
I have noticed there's a few people in the pits, so there's probably going to be a group slightly further back who then come and get me as well, unless I can keep with this main pack. But I've just had so many issues. I've decided, I mean, what's going on here?
Car outside.
What's going on here then? We're all going slow. Why are we all going slow?
The front stretch. Outside.
Okay.
If you didn't want to race, you should have got the fuck out of the way.
I don't know what that's all about. But anyway, we're still going. Problem is, we're going to lose the slipstream, I think. But we have got some cars behind who will probably get together.
Wrecking in turn 1.
Another wreck. What's going on? That might be people coming out of the pits. It's hard to come out of the pits fast. Anyway, so I'm going to be marooned for a little while, I think, and then some people are going to catch me.
Wrecking in turn 1.
And then we'll see, but there's still wrecking going on. What the hell is going on? Someone going in the pits. Another crash. I don't know what's going on here. This is unusual.
What was that, bro?
Someone went like on the road course during the warm-up lap, so they decided to drive down the road course line for some reason. Don't know what that was about, but anyway. So we're going to catch this guy ahead. I mean, we're 10th. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. There are some unusual crashes there. We'll have a look at those in the replay. So we're going to get caught by these two behind, and we're going to catch this guy ahead, hopefully. And then we'll all be together, and we'll have a group of 4, which actually should be pretty quick. That might help us get back to the main group, possibly. We're 10th at the moment. We started pretty much last. And we've been lucky with the accident so far.
49.
So yeah, we've got these two coming up behind us. So I just need to keep with them. We are catching this guy ahead ever so slightly, I think. Yeah, we'll stay. We'll let them go round us. Let them go round and then feed in behind.
Car outside. Stay low.
As I don't do anything stupid and try and come down too quick.
Clear high.
Okay, right, so we'll slot in behind. Hopefully keep with them. There we go. We're keeping with them, and then we've got this guy ahead as well.
Set the fastest lap. 47.
So that's it then. We're in a little group.
49.655. Just set the fastest lap of the session.
So we should be in the 47s, maybe even 46s. And this one guy does seem to be wobbling about a lot, doesn't he? Just not great, but anyway.
I'm sorry.
Car inside. Clear.
Well, he nearly moved into me, didn't he? I don't know what he's thinking. He's obviously thinking he wants to get the slipstream, but we want him to have it. I didn't really want him to run into me, so what's going on here then? Somebody was running very low.
47.614. That was your
Looked like he was moving as well, didn't he? So 47s.
19.
So I guess we could probably get to the 46s.
1.
Back in turn 1. So we can see a group ahead. Seem to be going pretty slow here, don't we, for some reason? Like these guys ahead are slowing down for some reason.
Car stop down low. Go high.
Okay, well, sort of easing off a lot here, aren't we? We're 8th. Oh, okay, I'm stuck on the outside now, but anyway,
Still there. Inside.
that's fine. I can let them go.
Clear.
Why are they slowing for the corners? They seem to be slowing for the corners.
Clear.
I don't know why.
Let's make this a Sunday drive, Alex.
We'll just sit here because I'm not quite sure what's going on here. They don't seem to be able to... Well, they're not very committed into these turns. Seems to me like they keep easing off as we go into the turn.
The leader consider
Anyway,
7.7.
maybe someone got damage.
Car outside, stay low. 48.79.
Going like a second slower, look.
Still there, hold your line. Clear up top.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. Just sit here. And then maybe try and make a move towards the end. Perhaps 7 of 18. A little bit of time. We are closing in the group ahead as well, I think. Don't know who they are. We're closing somebody in. Another car. We're all going to come... Oh, God.
Turn 3.
That looked deliberate, didn't it? That looked deliberate.
Oh, that feels like a central record there.
Yeah.
What was it, guy? Oh, so you do have a mic.
50.0.
Okay, so a little bit of contact there.
Central record. That is a perfect. Bro, you spun me, dumbass.
Number 10, that was intentional.
I was aiming for 7. He spun me. So
You're
that's what he
losing on the
fucking
car
did.
in front. The gap is
Oh,
I was on the inside and you spun yourself around the front. Stop. Trying to blame you.
well, so someone had intentionally wrecking.
Easy number 11.
And it messes everyone else up. I just don't understand the mentality of some people. You get spun, doesn't give you the right to then hit somebody else and then take a load of other people out. It just, I don't know, sometimes, and it's just not just iRacing, is it? It's society in general. I do wonder sometimes what world we're living in at the moment where people think that is all right, that that's normal behaviour.
Get 2 reports, number 10.
50.75.
Unbelievable.
Well, 6, I didn't mean to hit you. I just had to get 7. So I'm not letting that man finish after what he fucking did to me. So.
Yeah, what a
I
mentality.
get that, but you need to make sure you don't take out other people with it.
Unbelievable. Yeah, and that's cost us, hasn't it? Because we're not in a tow anymore.
Bothered
You're
reporting,
losing on
I'm
the
not
car in
going
front.
to.
The gap is 3.9 seconds.
Yeah, we just need to get rid of people like that from the whole system, I think. And society in general would be my view. But anyway, no politics here.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 1
Yeah, here they come. So the guy ahead's doing similar pace. Well, he's doing... So he's on his own, obviously. So we will catch them, I think, as well in a couple of laps. So I just need to keep with this group.
50.5.
I'm going to go high, I think.
Car inside. Clear inside. The car behind is
And I keep with them.
The gap is 3.8 seconds.
Am I too slow? I think I'm too slow. Look at that. I'm going quicker, but I'm not going quick enough.
Car outside. Stay low. Stay low.
Not going quick enough.
Keep low. That car is a lap down.
Can't keep with them. Bugger.
Keep low. 49.475.
So we're going quicker, but we've lost the tow, look. Just don't have it. How annoying is that? And that's it. Well,
There's the flag.
I mean, people hit people that make mistakes,
Nice run.
you know, and it happens, but I think to deliberately take somebody out just because you're upset with them, and then ruining everyone else's race around you, I just don't get it. Let's have a look at that incident. Okay, so this is what happened, I think. So car 10's ahead, car 7's behind, car 7's looking up the inside, pit manoeuvres him. So yeah, very bad driving by 7. I'd be pretty annoyed if that was me. Yeah, pretty upset. So then what happens? So he's been letting people by. Clearly he's waiting, isn't he? He's didn't damage himself, did he? He just got spun round. Well, he'd been hit there, but so he's letting everyone go by. So he's, he's not trying to race. Right from the get-go, he's not trying to race. He's now waiting for somebody. So here we go. He's been speeding up a little bit now because he can see the group coming that he wants to hit. So he's, his car's not damaged, really. It was fine. And then, look, just takes him out, takes out everyone else around them. There's me. Yeah. What's wrong with you? This is the kind of person shouldn't be on the server. I don't normally call stuff out like that, but we just need rid of people like this. Anyway, let's have a look at the other incidents. Okay, then here's the start. So I was dropped quite a long way back, but there did seem to be like a slow getaway from a number of people. But anyway, let's look at the incidents. So first one then, bit of a bump. I mean, that's just bad driving, isn't it? I don't know why people think that is what you should be doing. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. We were very lucky to get through that time anyway. But yeah, that's just bad driving. Oh, what were they thinking? Oh dear. Yeah, all over the place. So this is 7 and 10. Yeah, bad driving. 7 shouldn't have hit 10 like that, but he's not damaged. He could have just put his foot down, got going again, and probably would have got a good result. But decided to then hang around and kill everyone else. Bloody idiot. Okay, what we got here then? Nice run of cars. Number 2 seems to be coming up quick. He's going to hit number 6, yeah. And gets hit by number 3. Here we've got 6 and 12 bump drafting, which is pretty normal. Oh, no, that's not good. Not good bump drafting. Yeah, I'd be annoyed at that. Something else going to happen? No, looks okay. And what have we got? This is 10, the bloody idiot gets it there. Anyway, a bit more bump drafting. Number 2 spins 17 around. I mean, it's just bad. If this was real life, I don't know if people would do that. But anyway, yeah. Bad driving. 6 and 7, so this is where, yeah, what a complete knob that guy is. Anyway, yeah, we've talked enough about that. And then I got sort of stuck here. Obviously, I'm trying to keep going. He has to ease off. I hit him. That gives me a bit of damage. Yeah, very frustrating. So then that was second split. Managed to get some safety rating, would you believe? And a bit of I rating. So I came out of that. Not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. Lap times again. It doesn't really matter in draft martyrs. If you're in the group, you'll be in the 47s, maybe even 46s. If you're not, then you're in the 49s. So yeah, what an idiot that guy is. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. I don't normally rant, but it did really annoy me that people openly admitting, they're waiting to take somebody out. That's the sort of people we just need to get rid of off all sims. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.